Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with This Guy. That's me. I hope you're all very well today. We're going to kick off a thing on YouTube. I'm sure you all know what it is. It's called Vlogmas. Vlogmas. You try and vlog or you try and do a video every single day of December. I'm not going to be able to do that. I've got a wife, 2 kids, a full-time job. So I'm going to do the 12 days of Christmas. Alright, so we're on the very first day of Christmas today, so the 1st of December. And I thought, what better way to kick off the month of December than having a boozy cocktail. So that being said, today, the very first day of Christmas, guys, we're looking at a Super Split cocktail. Now, I'll explain what it is in a few seconds, but it is just so easy to make and so quick as well. And really, it's one of these cocktails that you enjoy. You take a sip of it and say, oh, gee, that's lovely. That's lovely. And then you put it down, you have a chat with your loved one or your kids and over an open fire and watching a Christmas movie in the background. And then you have another sip. And then you have another sip. And then you talk again, you have another sip. And by the end of the night, you're paralytic, drunk, on the floor, and your wife is calling you ambulance for you. Christmas, eh? Right, so we're going to make it. It's incredibly simple, right? And really quite quick. So we get a bit of Captain Morgan's, a bit of ice, some Club Orange, and that's going to be perfect for our Super Split. So we are going to get our glass. A bit of ice in there. Okay, now a bit of Captain Morgan's. Now, these. It's Christmas after all. Okay. So that a little bit of mix around. And then we're going to pour our Club Orange in, okay? Really simple, like, honestly, like. Give it another little mix around. Oh, guys, you can smell that. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, and the last bit, the very last bit, again, so quick this video, right? We are going to put in a small bit of ice cream. So there you have it. One Super Split. So we've got our rum, some Club Orange with bits, and then just a scoop of ice cream on top. I'll have to try it. It smells absolutely gorgeous, guys. It smells gorgeous. Oh my god. Yes! That's excellent. That is really good. And look, how long did that take us to do? 3 minutes. Cheers. Happy Christmas, guys, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.